Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video I will to review a buzzer which is a good alternative to a healthcare buzzer or V-Fly buzzer. It is called Lucky Box buzzer from fullspeedrc.com, but I bought it from a guy in Thailand. On the package there is a QR code for downloading the manual and the email to contact them in case you have any problem with the product. And I bought it from a guy in Thailand. I live in Thailand, by the way. His Facebook is facebook.com/boofpv. Visit his facebook.com for all the great products about FPV. So let's unpack the package. Here we go. And there are the buzzer and the wires. Just that. It's not so expensive. It's like 500 Thai baht or about 15 to 20 US dollar. I don't know. I cannot remember. He gave me some discount. The length of the buzzer is like 1.6 centimeters and the width is 1.3 centimeters and the thickness is about 1 centimeters. It's quite small and the weight is just 2.3 grams, so it's very tiny. And this is how you wire it up. Just 3 wires, 5 volt ground and buzzer ground. And here is the pad to solder it up. There are 4 pads anyway, but you only need 3 pads. The wires are silicone wires, which is very good. And before I installed the buzzer onto my quadcopter, I just realized that if the buzzer gets wet, it may be short out and cannot produce any sound. So I would like to coat it with conformal coating first. The liquid, the conformal coating liquid, I bought it from the same guy, Boot FPV. So let's coat it, and then here we go. The finish installing. And the diagram in the manual doesn't say much, but on the soldering pad there are indications telling you which pad is what. So don't be afraid. It's easy to install. And here is to show the picture is to show you what buzzer ground is on the flight controller side. And how it works is like you can choose. There are 3 options for the starting tone. Like you can choose whether to start the first beep after 30 seconds after the battery has been ejected or finished, or 60 seconds after the battery has died out, or 120 seconds after the battery died out. And for the rate of the beeping, you can select it also, which is very good for the price. You can select it to beep every 3 seconds, every 10 seconds, or every 30 seconds. And the duration of its working hours depends on the rate of the beeping, like 2 hours 30 minutes for every 3 seconds, 5 hours 30 minutes for 10 seconds, and 12 hours with full voltage for beeping every 30 seconds. 12 hours is very long. I cannot remember how V-Fly buzzer working duration is. So let's test it. Let's plug in the quadcopter. And the starting tone will tell you how much voltage is in the buzzer's battery. It will beep like 1 long beep and then 1 short beep, or 2 short beep, or 3 short beeps to indicate the battery level. And the meaning of the short beep is 1 beep. 1 short beep is the battery is lower than 3.7 volt. 2 short beeps means it is lower than 4 volt, and 3 short beeps mean the battery of the buzzer is higher than 4 volt. And here you are. So there is, I guess that is 3 short beeps. I guess it's 3. Okay, sometimes it's just not the same well, but it's still working. Okay, and let's unplug it and see how it works. So I'm gonna unplug the quadcopter battery, and it should start the first beeping after 30 seconds, which is the default. There you go, the first beep. And then it should beep every 3 seconds, which is the default setting. But then in this case, I might be mess up with the button, and it just beep every 10 seconds instead of 3 seconds. So in this video, it beeps every 10 seconds. But you can select it to beep every 3 seconds or 10 seconds or 30 seconds. It depends on your choice. And if you want to stop the buzzer from beeping, you can just press the button 3 times and it will stop, or you just plug in the battery again and it will stop beeping. Like that. That is the Lucky Box buzzer, guys. It's a very good choice. I bought it because I cannot find Hellgate buzzer in my country, and the price of Hellgate buzzer is like the price of one flight controller, so it's just ridiculous. Well, that is it, guys. Don't forget to support my channel via affiliate links or PayPal or other options in the video description. Thank you, guys, and keep clean. Dump your trash in the right place.